everyone, I am Liana with Music Academy International and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I decided to do a series few of Beatles. Yes, Beatles, right? For beginners, right? Not really beginners in the first year, but maybe in the second year with some knowledge of the chords. And this is the book that I found it on Amazon. Obviously, it's Easy Piano, Beatles Forever, the Beatles, right? And today we're gonna start with Hey Jude, right? So let me play it for you first and to see how easy it is to do it. And then we're gonna go over the chords and so on and so forth, right? So this is the one. And then repeat. Alright? Is it fun? Alright. So before we starting, alright, I'm gonna go a little tiny bit on some chords of the left hand. So for who doesn't know really the chord progression, usually, 1, 4, 5, I'm just gonna go a little tiny bit over because if you know this, then you will know the entire song, right? So this is the F chord, right? F, A, C. Then we will have this chord, F, E flat, B, right? For whoever, if it's hard, so first you can practice this. So you move these two fingers to these two. Bass remains the same. Right? And then you will have another chord, this one. This is gonna be a C7, but doesn't matter how it's called. Okay, so from F chord, you go the bass down and then you attach number 1 here. So the top remains the same, but you move this. So let's practice together. So this is F, this is B flat inverted, or the 4th, right, with Roman numerals, right? And this will be a C7. So just practice this, and practically this is all 90% of the song. Yes, you will have one more chord though, one more. We're gonna learn right now one more, and that it would be actually a C major inverted. So from F major, you're gonna go this one at a certain point in time. If you are even more beginners, you can only do 2 notes. Instead of 3 notes of the F chord, you do 2 notes. Instead of 3 notes on B flat inverted, you can do just this. And then on C7, you will just do that. So either you move the thumb, either you move the bass. Alright? So let's get started with the right hand. Alright? So you start again. This is in F major, F major. You could go to my, tutorial on how to play F major. Alright. And let's start. So starting with number 4 on C. So C, A, C, D, G, C, A, C, D, G, A, D, and jump to F. G, A, D, F, F, E, C, and then pay attention here. I'm just gonna, after F, E, C, I'm gonna go with number 4, B, C, B, A. Alright, easy? Tricky part here, pay attention, D, C, B, A. But not hard, not hard. Okay, let's add the left hand. Okay, on the left hand, if you're really beginners, you can just do 1 chord. Move in this moment F to E. And then B, match B. And then back to the F. Right? So this is really beginner coordination. You can actually put the G here, if you could, and back. Second one, a little bit more advanced with the chords on the left hand. You see that chord that I showed you? And then you can just play this one, 2 notes. Now level 3 of beginners, in which I'm going to place a chord on the count exactly 4 beats. So 4 times each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? So this one 4 times. This one 4 times, this one 4 times, and this one back to 4 times, alright? So let's put it together. 1, 2, 3, and wants some attention, but that's fine. Just moving the bass. Alright, so do replay, practice couple of times, and let's move on because today we're gonna do the entire section A, okay? So let's go. Right now, next section, it's gonna sound like that. Easy. Alright, so I'm gonna go shortly on the left hand. So the left hand again, F position, it's starting this part with this, would be this chord, but if you are beginners, you can just move from C to D. One time or 4 times, we will figure it out. Next you're gonna go here. Next we're gonna go again down, the bass is down, and back to this one. So each of these chords, it's 4 counts, okay? So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, like this one. Alright, this is your left hand. I just placed the right hand for you to see how it goes, alright? So let's go to the right hand. So you're starting with C. So you move from, right now you're moving into a C position. And you're gonna stretch down. Okay, so and practice this, okay? 1, 2, 1, and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? Let's put it the easy way with the left hand, right? Just playing 1 time for 4 counts. This one. For those that they can play 3 notes on the left hand, right? Second play. Is it too fast? Multiple times, that means 4 times each chord. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. thousand of likes for this one. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to be, alerted when I post many. I have many videos, and plus this is gonna be a series of 5 or 6 Beatles. I hope you will love it. Yes, I do. It's a lot of fun. Yeah, see you in